Hello everyone, welcome to Stagebox channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Buds. And hey, with the whole COVID-19 thing going out of control, make sure to keep yourself and your family safe. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So this over here is going to be Samsung Galaxy Buds. As you can see here on the box, there's nothing really too fancy in the front of the box, just this here Buds. But if we move to the side over here, we can see some of the features that the headphone has, like the 6 hours playtime and also the additional 7 hours of charge in the case. So that means you can use it and charge it one time and then another hour. It's kind of funny in my opinion. And right here says it has a clear call and sound quality. Supports wireless charging and designed for comfort and stability. And if we look on the other side, just basically just says Samsung Galaxy Buds. And then on the back over here, just basically shows you the 6 hours playtime, and it sounds by AKG, which is owned by Samsung, FYI. And then the stuff that's included in the packaging, so like the earbuds, so left and right, charging case, wingtips, so 3 sets. Ear tips, USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. So let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah, and if you notice, yeah, I'm using a cake knife, but hey, a knife is a knife. I don't have anything fancy, so which is why I'm kind of struggling. All right. Put this on the side over here. So this is going to be the headphone itself. So let me just take that out and put it on the side. We'll look into that in a second. So let's look into what else is inside the box. So yeah, this is just the additional stuff that comes inside the box, nothing else. It's empty. So obviously over here you'll get the USB-C charging cable, which is awesome. It's great that they actually include this in the box. Funny thing is some of them just don't for some reason. And I wish they made this a bit more presentable. It even fell. It just doesn't make sense in my opinion how they did this. But yeah, these are the wingtips. In the box itself is gonna have the medium one on the headphone and the medium ear tips. And then here you're gonna get the larger one. The larger wingtips, which are these two over here, and these are the smaller wingtip, and these are the larger ear tips, and these are the smaller one for smaller ear. But hey, the cool thing is you can always use, let's say, large and small one, or medium and small, whatever, just because not everyone's ear is all the same. All right, so let's move all this out of the way, put it in here. We'll deal with that later. Let's get to the main attraction, which is the headphone itself. So let me just remove us. Are you kidding me? Wow, this is why these type of stuff kind of terrible, I guess. I don't know. Well, Samsung needs to get a better one. Maybe I'm just unlucky and I got a bad one. All right. Oh wow, that was easier. I guess we just slide through instead. So yeah, this is going to be the headphone over here, which pretty small. There's really nothing too fancy, just basically the USB-C charging port. And if we open it up, yeah, you're gonna get the headphones itself. And my goodness, this headphone looks absolutely gorgeous with this small design, the black color. I gotta really give Samsung prop for this one. Oh. Now, first thing I've noticed about these headphones is it is actually much smaller than the Jaybird Run that I personally use. I use it because I always exercise and I always run. And yeah, these are much smaller, and they look a little bit more comfortable for some reason. But I kind of have to test on that. And then the charging case over here says left and right. Which makes it easier. So whenever you want to put it, literally just put it, and it's actually magnetized. So the moment you put it in, it just connects and it should charge immediately. but it seems like this thing doesn't have a charge. So let me go ahead and charge it and then come back. I'm back after 10 minutes of quick charge. Hopefully that's gonna hold until the end of the video. But yes, one cool thing about this headphone that I learned is the fact that it does have similar quick connect like the AirPods do. Whenever you open it, it's supposed to pop up in the phone, and then it tells you to pair. So I have an older Galaxy S9 here, and I'm wondering if it's going to work the same, or if it's going to be something that's only relevant to the newer Galaxy phones like the S10, the Note 10, or the S20. So let's go ahead and do that. So I opened it. Oh, look at that. That was quick. So just go ahead and connect. So let's get started. Look at them. Wow. That's actually awfully quick. I did not expect that. So just downloading features that are needed. Now just asking me for some permissions. I just keep allowing. At the end, I know I might just delete some of the things that I don't need it. Goodness, what the heck? It says, I guess I have to go to Galaxy. Let me see here. Galaxy Buds. Nah, I don't want it. That's good. Just agree. Next. Doesn't matter. So just use a touch. So I guess remove it. Oh, this is basically letting me know how to use it. Just neat. And just like that, they're all set. That was very, very, very simple. If you're an iOS device user, you can download the Samsung Galaxy Wear app on the Apple App Store. However though, there are going to be some limitations, so make sure to keep that in mind. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.